In this video, I want to address a question that I've received a number of times. And a number of times people have asked me why I do such short-term iron condors. Because you'll see in a lot of my examples I do very short-term, like 2-3 days, or even same-day expiration iron condors. And I'll show you why. And if you come down here and look on the screen right now, we're looking at Coca-Cola. And I put this iron condor on back on October 9th. See that down there, October 9th? And if you come down here to the calendar, today is October 17th. So it's been more than a week I've been sitting on this thing. Okay, now I put it on. Let's come down here to the accounting window and I'll show you what I put it on. I put it on and I sold my two options, my put and my call. I sold them for $76 and $79. I bought two calls for $10 and $25. But look at the puts and calls. I sold them for $76 and $79. Okay, back what, 5, 7, 8 days ago, and I still got a day to go. And so I've been sitting on this thing for a week for a measly, what, 120 bucks, right? So a whole week, $120 without doing anything other than just sitting there and letting it run. That's, I'll take the $120 every day. The problem is, if we come down and we wanted to put this thing on today and it expires tomorrow, let's go look at the options chain. Now remember, I received 76 and 79 a week ago. And today, if I come down here to my options chains, I could sell these things for 76 and 83. Almost exactly the same thing. In fact, a little bit more on the day before expiration. So I've been sitting on these things with all of this risk. I'm taking the risk for the same amount of money for an entire week as what I would have to do one day before expiration. So that's why I've been doing very short-term options condors and butterflies, is because once it gets down to $75, $80 on most of these markets, hey, they're not going to decay anymore anyway. So you might as well just do it the day before or a couple of days before, as opposed to sit on that thing for a week and take the same or receive the same amount of money for a tremendous amount more risk, because there's a lot more opportunity, right, for that thing to move, but yet you get the same amount of money. All right, guys, that's just a quick answer as to why I've been doing such short-term iron butterflies and iron condors.